wastage of water. We tried to save and conserve water, but we could not use the water flowing in the pipes.
So we have decided to create a device which can convert the water flowing through the pipes into electrical energy. So we present before you hydraulic electric fan.
Using this, one can convert the kinetic energy produced by the flowing water pipes into electrical energy.
So this is the working of the device. When the device is fixed into the pipe, when water starts to flow through it, the fan starts to spin and it converts the